at Falmouth Market. This is a rabbit. Oh, that's scum.
Let me just. I years now, when I come to this.
I know. Hey guys, so I am in Falmouth. I am at the Falmouth Market and it's Wednesday, so it's a bend down. And yeah, I'm just here. I'm gonna buy some clothes. Come and need some clothes, so yeah.
5, change to la blood 3, 4, 5. Panty 100, Brazil 2, 3, 4, 5. 200 la Brazil 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. Blood 3, 4, 5. Panty 100, Brazil 2, 3, 4, 5. Panty 100, Brazil 2, 3.
I need thee, oh, I need thee. Every hour.
Yeah.
All of that sweet shit, you're like, when you buy soda, a ginger soda, you will buy too?
Yeah, I like ginger soda.
Or the same thing done?
Yeah.
Yo, Gwaan. Yeah. Alright, buddy.
Give me strawberry.
Pineapple.
You want water?
Yeah, you can do the same. Take a straw. That is nice. So whenever I come to Trelawney, the man them just love watch me front, you know, the buff. So yeah, every time, as I was saying to Antonisha, come here, Antonisha. Every time I come to Trelawney, them always I watch out me something. One time, last week, I was telling Shana K, say, I think it was Falmouth same way, and the man just like, no man, look on the girl there front there. You look like she come from Buff Bay, man. Every time I come here. But we have our sky juice. Yeah, so good. We're heading back to Moby now, guys. I couldn't film a lot because it was too hectic. Yeah. So guys, I'm back in Moby. I'm back home. I just come from Dung. I don't feel good, guys. The sun, I guess, was too much. And I feel sick, I feel nauseated, I just feel dehydrated. I just need to like lay down and stuff. I want to look on the stuff that I'm gonna get, but I'm so tired, guys. I'm gonna see if I can do like a little mini haul and show you guys what I got, but trust me, I'm extremely tired right now. I just feel like I want to vomit. But I really feel like the sun caused that, and then me never sleep good last night. So. But today was alright. Bendong, it's not like what it used to be, but you know. Downfall through my fat. This is why I need to lose weight. I couldn't find a lot of things in my size. But I got a good amount of stuff. Well, not a good amount, but I got, you know, stuff that I wanted. So I'm gonna show you guys. Hey guys, this is what I got from Bendong. I brought $8,000 with me. Yeah, so let me just show you guys. I got this. It's a Fashion Nova Bermuda shorts. This one I paid $1,500. I get this shirt. The guy picked it for me. I got that shirt. I get this shirt. I get this shirt same place, and the three of them was $1,400. And then I get this short. It's a blue biker shorts to go with this. My auntie actually bought that for me. I don't even know how much that was. I bought these shorts for Kemar. You know me now left out my man. These were 700. I get this dress. So look at Adidas. Yeah, fake Adidas, but me no business, cheap and clean. So nice little dress, and this was 1500. You get these perfume, guys. I get 3 of this in the bag, $500, and then him sell me this for 500. Guys, this smells so good. Got my donuts as always, 500. I'm gonna get this Elma blouse, 500, and then this bag of orange was 400. The purpose of me really shopping was because through I'm here until May, I needed some clothes because I brought a lot of Tommy Hilfiger clothes, and I'm not trying to wear out the Tommy Hilfiger them and make them spoil. So I just buy some stuff. Anything else that I want more, I got going on Mobi in a town, sorry, and buy them. But yeah, that's what I got today at Bendong. It's a lot of walking if you guys go. Just be mentally prepared. There's a lot of digging and a lot of searching. As you guys could see in the video, I never got to show everything because honestly, people are just looking at me and I couldn't bother. But I gave you guys a little sneak peek of Bendong, and yeah, that's in Trelawney in Falmouth.